Personal opinion, is there a right or wrong way to do Disneyland? Like, is there a certain order that you should hit up the ride?
This is my little sister. She's a Disney annual pass holder and a total pro at navigating the parks. Today, she's going to share some of her tricks and tips with us, so stay tuned.
Are you ready for Disneyland?
Alright, so right now we are checking in our little doggo into the kennel. It's only about 20 bucks, and the good thing is that for little dogs, they rarely ever fill up because they've got like 60 slots. So you come in early, you're almost guaranteed to get a spot.
See you, buddy.
All I'm doing is linking the passes, and once you link all the passes, you only need one person to scan everyone's tickets in to get the fast passes. So all you have to do is bring it up to the camera, and it'll validate, and then you have a full party.
This is how it's going to be all day?
Maybe.
My first order of business at any Disney park is to purchase a new pair of ears.
Purchase of the day.
I had fallen madly in love with the rose gold ears when they first debuted some time ago. So it was straight to the Main Street Emporium, followed by a quick stop at the castle for those mandatory castle pics.
Did she say they're already slowing us down?
So for the donuts, you want to get these first thing in the morning after the pictures? Take your castle pictures, get some donuts, because they only come out twice a day.
Yeah.
Early in the morning and at 3, and then that's it, they're done.
Well, these are the 2 donuts they had today. They do change daily though. So these are special for Pixar Fest. These are the Up donut. It's just a regular vanilla donut, but I like this one a lot because it has white chocolate here, these little chocolate balls. I've already taken a bite of them. This is the famous pineapple donut. It looks like kind of a Dole Whip drink. This has a meringue on top, and inside is like a pineapple gelatin. So that one's also really good.
Alright, so Anita, your personal opinion, is there a right or wrong way to do Disneyland? Is there a certain order that you should hit up the ride so that you can maximize your time here?
There is a preferred way that we do it. We get here like 9 at the latest, or get in the park 9:30 at the latest. So what we do, we start with Adventureland, head up Indiana Jones. Then we go to Thunder Mountain, that's a Haunted Mansion. Sometimes Splash Mountain, depending on the day. Space Mountain, Star Tours, and then we start park hopping to the other side.
If you do it that way, like and you get here at 9, what time do you usually finish all those rides?
After like pictures and food, we can leave this park at like 1:30.
Really?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
So it's crazy. We'll see. We'll see.
Tips from a pro.
After hitting up Indiana Jones, Thunder Mountain, and of course Haunted Mansion, it was time for another snack break, and nothing could hit the spot better than a carrot cake churro with cream cheese dipping sauce.
They're really good.
Yes, you know.
Hi, Alexis.
Hi, Alexis.
Welcome to Disneyland. Welcome to Disneyland. Woo, woo. How cute.
I think my favorite store in all of Disneyland is Port Royal Curios and Curiosities. This place is always stocked with the cutest and newest Haunted Mansion and Nightmare Before Christmas stuff. Those are so cute. Adisa, show me the other ones too? The ones that you like? I can never resist the urge to buy something here. Moving on from New Orleans Square into Tomorrowland, it was time to make our fast pass time for Space Mountain. But...
Alexis.
Yeah.
What's going on?
Stuff happens. But the ride, basically, there's been a problem, and they have to power down the entire ride, which means it'll be shut down for a couple of hours. We can still use our fast pass anytime during the day, but it kind of throws a wrench into our plans.
We could go see Chewbacca.
See it where?
Oh, you've never been. Let's go.
luckily, my sister had a backup plan, and we headed over to the Star Wars launch bay for a quick meet and greet with Chewie. They also had meet and greets with Rey and Darth Vader, but we're Team Wookiee all the way. If I'm at a Disney park, you can bet that I'll be searching for It's a Small World. It's one of the few Disneyland rides left where the art is all done by one person. In this case, it just so happens to be one of my favorite artists of all time, Mary Blair. From there, we were able to make a quick hop over to Toontown. It's a great spot to get silly in front of the camera. It's also a good place to do some more shopping. Toontown's Gag Factory is super cute.
So these are the new figures. They were just released this Tuesday for Tsum Tsum Tuesday, and they're the Monsters University characters.
Just like Hong Kong Disneyland. Yum. What are you buying?
We are buying the Tsum Tsums.
Why are you spending money?
So I guess the Snow White fountain doesn't talk anymore. It used to talk and it used to sing. But this one does. So I'm gonna make my wish.
I believe in wishes, don't
For lunch, we decided to head over to the Red Rose Tavern back in Fantasyland since I had never been. Before its transformation, it used to be Pinocchio's village house. Supposedly, it's only temporary, but judging by the crowds that I had to plow through to get my order, I highly doubt it.
All the restaurants will give you water cups. So you can get as much water as you want for free. You just go and ask them and they give you free water. So
With ice in it?
With ice in it, so you stay hydrated.
Now, my main goal here was to try the infamous gray stuff, and I am happy to report that it was in fact delicious, and I didn't even need to ask the dishes. After lunch, it was time to head back to Tomorrowland for our second attempt at riding Space Mountain. On our way, we ran into one of Mary Poppins' penguins. Apparently, this is a pretty rare character to come across, kinda like a white whale or a shiny Pokemon. Anyways, he was super cute, and if you're lucky like us, you'll come out of it with a super cute dance video and some adorable pics. Sure, we had to stalk him a bit, but it was totally worth it.
To make wishes. You went like that and you said to.
I'm gonna wish for the same thing.
She's gonna wish for more wishes.
No one told me my hair was a mess though. It's tragic.
I think your mom's just making like a million wishes here.
Maybe? She's like, okay, so I bought a new pair of ears because they were super, super cute and I couldn't resist and my husband wasn't around to tell me no. So we actually finished up here a little bit earlier than, oh, this thing is hard to use. We finished up earlier than we expected. It's around 3 right now. So we're going to try and squeeze in California Adventure 2 and see how that pans out.
With a recent makeover and a bit of Disney magic, California Adventure is finally becoming the park it was always meant to be. While Tower of Terror will always hold a special place in my heart, the sudden drops in the revamped Guardians version are harder to anticipate, making the overall experience way more thrilling.
So right now the Marvel area is really small. They're going to expand it into the Bug Slide area, but not a whole lot right now. But there will be in a year or two.
All of my favorite Pixar characters finally have their own place to call home at Pixar Pier. It's cute, colorful, and everything I could have hoped for. At Knick Snacks, they had plenty of merch for my favorite Pixar movies, Up and Coco. I had to seriously fight the urge to buy my third pair of mini ears for the day. A beautiful pair of Coco-themed mini ears. But getting back to the rides, I got to try the Incredicoaster for the first time. You get the same awesome California Screaming Coaster with a Disney flair, and it really does make the ride a whole lot more fun. If you don't mind a longer wait time, you can always ride it at night when it's all lit up.
So it's not better to come here at night.
Oh my god. That is the line all the way back there.
The pier is littered with all sorts of cute snack stands, and it was really, really hard deciding where to snack first. But eventually, I landed on Bing Bong's sweet stuff. Aside from selling super cute merch, they also have a refreshment stand where you can grab caramel apples, Rice Krispie treats, cake pops, and all the sweets you need to set you on a magical sugar high. This spot is best known for its memory refreshers, but unfortunately, all the machines were down. Two of my favorite rides at California Adventure are actually more for the kiddos. Mike and Sully to the Rescue and Ariel's Undersea Adventure are a nice throwback to the older animatronic rides at Disneyland. Call me nostalgic, but I love these types of rides. Right now, there definitely aren't as many rides there as there are at Disneyland, but there's still plenty to do and see. Not to mention, there are plenty of cute spots to take pictures in. Or you can simply find a spot to sit and just enjoy the view. Nothing quite beats the twinkling view of Pixar Pier at night.
So we finally got our memory refreshers. This is a rainbow unicorn, and this one is a, what now? Sunshine in a cup. So apparently with these drinks, the machines go down a couple of times each day, and that's just something that's gonna happen. So if you come here, make sure you have time. You have time to come back again, because this is our second time and we still had to wait. But they're good. But they're good.
We won one of the games.
Finally!
It only took us 3 tries.
Finally! You're a winner!
It's so cute! Look at her! Look at her!
Checking out Disneyland and California Adventure in one day is totally doable, but it does require some planning or at least some navigating by a park pro. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you want to see more, please do subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down for me in the box below. And that's it, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!